What's good? It's your boy E coming at you again with some finance solutions. I'm basically just going ahead and touching base with you guys for that daily recap. And man, I mean, take a look at this market. Like what did I say? Do not be buying any long-term dips around there, right? Around this time, right? Because the lows aren't in. I mean, it's obvious. So again, just hope you guys were aware of that. I mean, I'm pretty sure you were. I mean, if you're watching my videos, you were. And like I said, like the other day, because remember how I said, like, basically in a market condition like this, like I'm not really looking to buy any dips. I'm more interested in only selling the rips. And this is a prime example of why. It's only a matter of time. All this bear market rallying and so forth is like I didn't understand it. But again, it's not about what you think is right or what's right, etc. It's more about, just playing the ranges and following the trend. And again, the trend is your friend. Feel me? I mean, look, even if you don't have any friends, you feel me? Like, even me, I have acquaintances or whatever, but like, as far as friends, I don't hang around no one like that. I stay solo. But guess what? I got one best friend, and that's the trend. Yeah, I took a few trades today. Basically, I was trading Meta once again, because Meta's been a winner for me. Like, I just truthfully today, like, I kind of was like running behind schedule and was sidetracked a little bit and kind of distracted. So I didn't really trade all day or even a lot. Because first of all, like I don't even like trading on Fridays because, just looking back like over like my trading history and my journal and stuff, I just found that for some reason on Fridays I don't do as good. So like I already was aware of that going into the trading day. Basically I had a break even day. Like my first trade was a red trade, my second trade was a green trade, my third trade was basically another red trade, which brought me to break even. Green on the week, another green week behind me, and I would love to be green every day, but unfortunately, you're just not going to be green every day. But what you can make sure to do is just keep your loser small, and that's what I did. So I ended it basically break even, small red, because I was kind of like distracted and running behind, and actually had to call into my broker to get something straightened out. So about time I got off the phone with them, like market was already open. So like I didn't really have a good sense of the market. Usually when I trade, like I said, I told you, I get up early and I like to be, at my station, watching price action, catching up on the news, doing my watch list, etc. But because, I was kind of behind schedule and kind of distracted, I wasn't able to proceed with my normal routine. So therefore, like I wasn't looking to really trade that much. And knowing my history, historically, Fridays are a bad day for me to trade. Keeping that in mind, I wasn't trying to trade that much and kind of diminish my gains for the overall week. And I was able to do that. With all that said, I didn't trade all day. Looking at this chart, in hindsight, obviously it probably would have been nice to trade all day. But there'll always be another day. What you want to keep in mind is the long term. There'll always be new opportunities. What you want to do is make sure that you live to fight another day in the markets, so to speak. As far as my general thesis, sell the rips. I mean, was this a day to sell the rips or what? I mean, look at this chart. Let's get rid of all this. Perfect day to sell rips. Could have just waited for the market to show you the top of the range. See, that's always tricky too. is when the market when the market is so indecisive, it's tricky. Like, yeah, it showed the top of the range within the first few minutes of the trading period and never got back there. And I mean, that's the ultimate rip to sell. But again, like I said, I wasn't able to participate as much as I would have liked for various reasons, but it's all good. Green on the week. I mean, that makes what, 3 weeks in a row I've been green. So I'll take that. And again, just wanted to touch base with you guys and take a look at these markets. But, bruh, I mean, just a total washout. No, look at this little bouncing coming in. Some volume too. Volume's increasing and it's bouncing here. And I believe the 360 level, 361, 362 is like, I think you're getting close to the like the June lows. Yeah, like right around here. So right now, like we're back down to the June lows. So this is like make or break right here. I mean, we dipped down right here a little bit lower, but basically here's the June low. And looks like the market's getting ready to crack that thing. We'll see how it goes. But again, I hope everyone out there had a good trading day and a good trading week. Maybe I'll drop some more tutorials or, some more videos over the weekend here. But, I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy my green week, basically. Another one in the books. Just keep up the good fight. Remember to always be in capital preservation mode, especially now. Because you see, like I said, and remember, I don't know if that was the video from yesterday or the day before when I was like basically saying that earnings season comes and you start seeing companies come out with their earnings and they aren't so good. That's basically when you'll start seeing the true bearishness come back. And I believe we did get, I mean, obviously the jobs number was negative data, but I guess unemployment numbers came out. The market had like a bearish reaction to it. What those numbers mean is the Fed can continue with their monetary policy. So, I mean, the market's tanked on that information. But basically, what I was saying is from the other video, I was like, okay, earnings season is fastly approaching. And once we get there and companies report their earnings and lower guidance and miss on numbers, etc., you'll start seeing some bearishness come in the market. And I believe AMD had some negative data come out. And I mean, not to say that that's the cause of this little sell-off right here, but I mean, you just have to be aware of all that stuff. It's not only, I mean, price action is a lot of it, but you also have to know what's going on in the broader market as far as like the economy and, fundamentals, etc., and stuff like that. But anyways, again, just wanted to touch base with you guys. I mean, it looked like the market's trying to bounce right here, but I mean, that's that level right there. So I guess we're bouncing off that June low. But we'll see if it can hold up. I wouldn't trust it, just looking at the bearishness of the market. And then again, you have earnings coming up. But again, just wanted to touch base with you guys. It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Patreon and Discord to grab that daily morning briefing and watch list. That way you can have that edge, brethren. Peace.